You're welcome to my channel. We'll be unboxing and reviewing this Tecno Spark 8C. First, let's unbox it. As you can see, it comes with 12 plus 1 month warranty. It comes with the charger, the hands-free, and it also comes with a phone cover. Yeah, as you can see, this is a full unboxing. We've unboxed everything which is inside the Tecno Spark 8C. And as I previously explained, it comes with the phone cover, it comes with the charger, also comes with the hands-free. Either ways, and it also comes with 12 plus 1 month warranty. So now we are putting everything back into the box. Then the next thing is the phone review. We're going to be explaining what are the functions, what are the spec of the phone, the storage, the RAM, and so many others, and the camera. So here we go. And this is the phone review. The first thing you have to do, we have to go through the settings, which is what we just clicked on. Then we go to my phone. So when you click on my phone, you see that the phone comes with 2 plus 1 gig RAM. It also comes with Android 11, and the internal storage is 64 gig inbuilt. It comes with 13 megapixel dual camera and 5000 mAh battery. Then the next thing we have to do, we have to come to this other part, which is the language, and we look at the spec, which it has some cool function, which is social turbo, games, and other things. When you come to the security, you get to see what is on it. Then now when we come back to the SIM card, when you look at the SIM, it comes with is a 4G compatible handset, which means wherever you are, you can make use of the 4G service once your SIM card is compatible with the network. So that's just all. Yeah, that's it. Then the next thing we have to look at is the camera. Let's see how the camera looks like in real life. You can see the camera is very bright, it's very clear. It has normal video, it has AI cam, also has beauty. Then it also has portraits, has panorama, and so many other functions. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like, share, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.